Now, we do see Hondas that last over 200,000 miles, and they run quite well, but we want to tell you a few things that you should be on the lookout for when you get to a higher mileage vehicle. Definitely the cooling system. Make sure that your radiator isn't leaking or showing signs of cracking, as they're plastic and rubber seals, so they do wear out over time. Other items that we've seen is people will drive and never change the timing belts, and that's unfortunately a rubber component, so it does wear out over time, and if that breaks, you could cause major engine damage. And then the third thing is just follow the regularly scheduled maintenance, change your oil, change your transmission oil, and make sure not to overheat your car. And it should last you well into 15 or 20 years and over 200,000 miles. That will also keep your cost of ownership quite low. If you need help servicing your Honda or repairing the Honda, we would love an opportunity to work with you here at A+ Japanese Auto Repair in San Carlos.